Hi, I am Samir and I have come to your service with my first program. Viewers, you know that PTI is severely criticizing Jamaat-e-Islami and its leadership and has violated all moral values. The reason for this is that on December 29, 2024, Jamaat-e-Islami Emir Hafiz Naeem-ur-Rehman demanded PTI leader Imran Khan to condemn USA. You know that Imran Khan is currently in jail and all hopes for his release are linked to USA President Trump. The PTI lobby is also begging the USA administration for the release of Imran Khan. The demand for condemnation of Hafiz Naeem-ur-Rehman made PTI workers crazy and they started abusing the leadership of Jamaat-e-Islami on social media. The workers of Jamaat-e-Islami have also answered them with arguments keeping in mind the ethics. The result is that the PTI workers did not have an answer to the argument with an argument, so they started abusing the leadership and workers of Jamaat-e-Islami. In this war of social media, for the first time PTI cyber force was defeated and their leadership was forced to give explanations. Pakistan's electronic media and analysts are analyzing this defeat. In fact, Jamaat-e-Islami workers surprised everyone with their performance.